Alright guys, I'm super excited for this video because I finally got a new uke. It's been, oh wow, it's heavy. It's been so long since I've got a new ukulele, and I actually reached out to this company, Rosen, and they said they would send me one so I can do a review and test it out and use it in future videos and stuff if it's good. So let's crack this thing open and see how it looks, and then we'll tune it and see how it sounds and kind of give it a nice little review, and then later on, after I use it for a while, we'll complete the review and see how it holds up, how it holds tune, and how nice it is to play. So anyway, let's open this bad boy. Okay, so like I said, this thing's pretty heavy and solid. I don't really know what all comes with it because they're pretty cool. I was just like, I do ukulele stuff. Can I get one to do a review on and check it out? And they were just like, yeah. And I was like, do you want me to do anything else? And they're like, just be yourself and let us know how you like it. So it's gonna be an honest review. They didn't pay me or do anything to make me lie about it. It's good or not. Oh, wow. Okay. It's like a hard case. It's my first hard case for ukulele, so we'll set that aside, see what else is in here. Beginner's Guide to Learn Ukulele. That's pretty cool. So if you're new at ukulele, this teaches you how to hold it, how to tune it. Kind of shows you how to read music a little bit. That's kind of cool. Oh, wow. And then it teaches you some chords. I think I might actually mess around with this a little bit. Next thing, this bag is in here. Okay, comes with a little tuner. Oh shoot, one of those straps. If you don't have pegs on the side, you kind of hook this on the hole. And it's like a little necklace, so you kind of like that guy. It goes around the sound hole. So it comes with that strap, some more nylon strings by them. Ooh, a little cleaning cloth. What the heck? And a capo? It comes with a capo. I want to see this capo. It's really tiny. Aw, look at that little capo. Dang, I didn't know it came with a capo. That's freaking cool. Well, I didn't know it came with any of this stuff, actually, but capos usually, stuff usually doesn't come with capos. When you get ukuleles, they might come with a tuner, it might come with extra strings, but not a strap and not a capo, so that's cool. Oh, and then little Rosen pick, so sweet. That's awesome that they sent all this stuff. I'm really stoked about the capo. I already have a capo, but just like ukuleles, it doesn't hurt to have more than one, you know? So anyway, on to the more important, cooler part, what the ukulele looks like. So let's open this bad boy. I really like this hard case. It's cool. And okay, it's wrapped up. Reveal number 2. That's a nice case. I like that. Take off the rubber band, and then dun, 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 dun. Oh snap! Dude, that headstock is so freaking cool. I love when there's a little gap in there. And then the body of it, boom! Dang, this is cool. It's like a hard plastic, but I don't know. It looks pretty cool. It's got a sound hole up top too, and got the dots here. This is like a really smooth, cool finish, though. I really like this. So yeah, this is awesome. This is a really cool color too, just black. Obviously not tuned, so we're gonna have to tune that, and then the sound doesn't sound bad though. Besides it being out of tune, it sounds like it'll sound good, so let's tune it and test it out. I'm actually gonna use their tuner and see how it goes. Because sometimes it's a hit or miss with tuners. Sometimes they suck and they're kind of crappy. Sometimes they're decent. We'll see how their tuner is, I guess. I don't think this is actually their brand. Oh wait, it is. It says Rosen on it. I lied. This is their tuner. So let's see. Standard ukulele tuning. G, C, E, A. Make sure it's on uke, or else it's gonna totally mess up. So this has to be the G. It's a C right now. All right, so I got it all tuned up. See that? It's gonna take a while for the strings to stretch before I have to stop tuning it. One thing I noticed, the tuning pegs feel a little stiff, and then they get loose, and then they get stiff, but they're not like they're not losing pressure on the strings, so I don't know if it's just because they're new, so maybe it just feels weird. I'll mess with them a little bit more, but I mean, it worked and it tuned them. That bottom one is bugging me. Let's see. Okay. It's not bad. It sounds kind of cool. Let's test it out by playing one of my original songs, and then that'll actually test it, how it sounds with bar chords and everything. So, Two-Headed Creature. Let's play that. That's on Spotify if you guys want to listen to it. But yeah, Two-Headed Creature. Yeah, let's do this. GCEA. Something sounds like it's vibrating when I play the C. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but we'll see. Anyway. Sounds loud because the hole here is like going up to me so I can hear it better. So I think that's pretty cool. Besides that random ringing, I might move around the strings a little bit and mess with it and see if I can get that to stop. Because I'm not sure if it's just kind of like hitting in an area. Oh yeah. I think it's vibrating barely on the top fret. It's barely touching it, but this thing is like a fully plastic ukulele, so I would think it's waterproof because it's all plastic, so it's obviously not gonna have the best sound as like a wooden one, but I think these are like $70 or $80 on Amazon, and the style looks really cool. It feels pretty solid. It has pegs on both sides for a normal strap if you don't want to use the neck one. And honestly, I think it sounds pretty good. So thank you, Rosen, for sending me this ukulele. I think it's freaking awesome. If you guys want to check it out, you can look them up on Amazon or click the link down below and it'll take you to these ukuleles. This is actually the concert size. I'm pretty sure they have different sizes, but yeah, it's a pretty nice ukulele. It's pretty cool. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think of the ukulele. Peace out.